But you know when you're just so scared, you just go, fuck, fuck. That's what happened the first time. But then I was just whispering it. I almost hit that one. That one, and I was like, okay, that's embarrassing. Then I fell over there. But I didn't fall at all, like I kept going. Oh my god. I don't want to
That's what, I think that's what Josh did the first time too.
It was actually so traumatizing though. You have no idea. Like I was shitting my pants going down. Oh my god, I was like, I'm gonna get there, I'm just gonna bowl through all those people in line for the ski lift and hit a car somewhere there. And that's how I'm gonna stop. I decided to sit and try to attempt a pizza that was unsuccessful.
Yeah, as long as you just do the pizza. I guess you can say a pizza.
Yes. I wouldn't want to do this for like 7 hours. Oh my god.
Yeah, no way.
Before 10 o'clock, like
I don't
I'm actually
know.
done right now. Like
Daryl's probably want to stay. He's probably
gonna
gonna want to stay for sure.
like,
I want to go on that one at least. Look, that one's not so
you
bad.
go. I'm gonna watch. Okay.
See that one right
Is
there.
that a ramp?
Right there. Yeah. That's not so bad. Doesn't look too. You know. At least when we go.
We're getting there.
As long as we go half.
What's that?
I don't know. Okay.
No.
We're really close. So.
Bye. I'm getting nervous. I'm getting so nervous, Kuya.